welcome to a new update on Bitcoin. Today it's Monday the 2nd of May and let's start right away with the 2-hour time frame. So if we're looking at the chart, how does it look? It looks absolutely hideous. Why is that? Because we are making lower lows. We're making lower highs, but we are also making fake outs. For example, right here, this was yesterday, it was Sunday, and of course on Sunday we can have these kind of fake outs pretty easily. So this was, for example, we broke the high here, making it the bullish structure, and then we broke the low here, making it the change of character. So we could actually see it go further down. So it would be a point power of 3 play then. So this would be the consolidation, this would be the manipulation, and this would be the expansion. However, that did not happen. What happened was that we got the liquidity below here, so below this little range, but we also got the liquidity above this range, and then after, like I said, we got the liquidity below the range. We went further up to 39.2, around that area, and now we're looking terrible again. So if there is a place where I'd like to see it bounce on lower time frame, on the 1 hour 30 minutes time frame, then it is right here. Why is that? If we don't bounce here, then we'll probably take out this low and we probably take out this low. So this is a lot of liquidity here, and to be honest, if we lose this, then I might think we will just fall straight through to 35k around this level. Why? Because we have a high here, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high. Would that be? That would be a lower high, and then probably a lower low, etc. So the 30 minutes time frame looking shit, absolutely shit. Any hopes for the bulls? I don't really see it, to be honest. If we want to see some kind of buying activity, it would be right here. It should be right here actually, and then we could continue this uptrend, because this is an internal structure uptrend, to maybe about 39k, maybe to 40k. But I do think that we'll probably lose this level, and if we do, we'll go to 37k. If we lose that, we will probably go to, let's look at the 2 hours again. Yeah, so 37k, and then we'll probably go to 35, 36k. That's an important level. We must hold that as well. Besides it, I thought at the 4 hour time frame, it looks kind of like we're making a falling wedge, but I don't really like to trade on these kind of patterns. So yeah, you could say maybe this is a falling wedge. I can see it, but I don't really think it will be relevant at the moment. Okay, so let's check ETH as well. Yeah, ETH is just following Bitcoin, looking shit as well. Well, I must say the only thing that's different from Bitcoin is that we're kind of making an uptrend here. So if you can see right here, so the 12 hour time frame, we have a high, we have a low, we have a higher low, we have a higher high. We could make a higher low here and could make a higher high here. That's a possibility. I don't think it will happen, especially not if Bitcoin shits the bed. But yeah, it could happen. It looks better than Bitcoin, that's for sure. So look at the Bitcoin dominance. Yeah, that's also one thing that we discussed in the previous video. Bitcoin dominance is very, very, very bullish. So what does that mean? If we look at this line here and take out this hideous, so like this. If BTCD breaks this level, we will probably move to 46%, 45% at least. That's a very strong resistance level, and to be honest, I think alts will bleed very hard. Also look at metaverse coins, minus 20% since the last vid. Also here, Axis minus 41%. Jesus Christ, that's a lot. Atom, I mean, I think you get it. It's just all going down because the Bitcoin dominance is gradually increasing. So what does that mean? Don't touch alts yet. Really, just don't. For example, here on Atom, this is a very strong support level, so it should be it should give some kind of reaction, but at the moment it just doesn't look like that. Also, if we look further, yeah, this can drop way further to 40 cents area. And Metaverse also, it's just looking shit. We talked about Men, I believe, in the last video or the video before that. And 150 would be the area where I wanted to buy. I didn't buy actually, so don't hate me for that. But it went up 13% from around that area, 140. But still, I don't see us moving up from here. To be honest, we must see some really strong bullish catalyst to lift the whole crypto market. To be honest. And I just don't see it at the moment. It just looks very, very bad. So yeah, so I'm still waiting for this level, the 34k for Bitcoin. That's the area I want to buy, and then a move to maybe 42, 43k. That's what I hope actually. And if not, I will probably wait for a deviation below the range low, around 30k. To buy a spot BTC and then take it to the range high again. Or that's what I hope. So just a little update on the market right now. Yeah, just looks very bad. Wait for the lower supports to be hit on most alts, most charts, most coins actually, and just sit it out, I would advise. Yeah, thank you.